Congratulations! You have made it to the end of the course, and I'm so proud of you for all of the work that you put in to learn 261 different phrases, and also for practicing with every activity that you completed. This is no small feat, so I'm very proud of you, and I hope that you are proud of yourself too. So go ahead and give yourself a little pat on the back for this achievement. We started this course learning how to express a lack of understanding in casual and formal situations. And then we moved on to learn how to clear up these misunderstandings. After that, we became confident in asking for what we want clearly and in different ways. We then covered how to discuss our opinions respectfully, how to invite people over and how to offer them things, and how to give clear instructions and sensible advice. Finally, we mastered the trickier techniques of how to interrupt, persuade, and complain, how to apologize and resolve conflict, and also how to deliver bad news and offer our sympathy with care. Now, I know we covered a lot of different things in this course, many different phrases in many different situations, and of course, learning a phrase once or twice does not mean that you will now remember it forever or even be comfortable enough to use it in daily life. This has simply been the foundation for your English language mastery journey. And it is very important for you to take advantage of the fact that you now own this course and you can access it at any time. So I think it's a good idea for you to do this course again on maybe a faster speed, to just go through all of the content again and make sure that you can learn many difficult phrases or things that you didn't understand the first time around more clearly, and be more confident to be able to use this in your daily life. In the final lecture, we will discuss other techniques or practices that you can use in order to elevate your English language learning. So this is a very important lecture to go through for you to see what other steps you can take towards your natural English mastery. I will see you there.